Ladies and gentlemen, we're back at it again with another moto vlog. Today is a very special day. This car right here in front, that is my lovely girlfriend's car. And just this past Friday, she passed her motorcycle safety course. Now she wants to ride my motorcycle. Kinda nervous about it, but no, I'm not gonna let her know that until this video is uploaded, because she watches my videos. So, well, good luck to you, babe.
Oh, you still got your GoPro on?
Mm-hmm.
Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
I hate you. Ah. See, now you made me nervous. To neutral.
Put all your weight to your, there you go, to your right side.
Okay.
Are you a little nervous?
A little.
Just walk it. No, not literally walk it.
I wanted to see if I could move it, to be honest. Alright.
Play with that friction zone, okay? Put your foot down. There you go, and just walk it. Just walk the bike. Now you have to release the clutch like all the way out in order for it to like start to want to go. Use the clutch.
I am. I'm just saying it's turn. Oh shit! I released it too much.
Wow. I don't mind if she drops this bike. I already laid it down. It's a used bike. She's so tiny. You okay? To the what?
That's your brake, right?
This is the brake right here.
Right here?
Yes.
Okay. I couldn't find it.
Okay, so with my throttle, as soon as you give it throttle, the bike's gonna want to jerk, okay?
Well, yeah.
So be very, very careful. You can go all the way up there if you want to. Come all the way back around. Don't be scared of it. You know how to ride. Oh, that's a wasp. No, thank you. She stalled it. That's okay. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Oh, her phone might fall out. Oh, she's switching up, huh? She knows not to get a bike that she can't fully stabilize. I let her know that already. But I mean, this is just to, you know, make sure that she wants something like this. Keep going, keep going. Oh, wasp. Ah. Sorry, babe, you're on your own. Well, she's doing it and she's having fun now.
I be concerned with the back ends, I don't really do the fronts. Used to get put in the background, now a nigga in the front. I be my whole front and back end.
Go ahead and hit that kill switch.
Huh?
Hit that kill switch.
Jesus.
There you go. How was it?
That was great.
Yeah?
It was fun.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah. I was just playing on first and second gear there.
You liked it though?
Yeah.
You want to keep riding?
Do I?
Meet me by your car. Are you done? Go ahead, ride it over there. My girlfriend wanted to ride. Crazy ass. Oh, okay. She get. Oh, gay. Baby, come back. Ooh. Well, yeah, guys. So there's that. She didn't know, you know, the bike, or either the bike was rolling or the kickstand was all the way down. I'm not mad about it at all. Like I said, I kind of knew, you know, something was gonna happen, which is fine. I'm not mad about it. She's a little hurt about it. Yeah, she just wanted to see, you know, more or less what my bike felt like, and she loved it. So that's gonna conclude our video for today. Once again, it's your boy, Riding with Money. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video. Support me, guys, please. I do this for a living. No, I don't. That's stupid. Anyways, I'm out.